LEVENBERT. Consultancy services with turnkey implementation solutions. In recent decades, businesses have shifted from being product-focused to become more centered on their customers. As part of this shift, corporations realize the importance of talking to their customers, whether to provide them with assistance, answer their questions, or sell them more products and services. In today's world, things have grown in volume and scale. Businesses now need to talk to hundreds, thousands, and even millions of customers. Customers, meanwhile, have become ever more demanding. They expect immediate responses, practical solutions, and technologically advanced services. It was to meet these demands that the need for a call center emerged. Corporations seek to develop and subsequently improve call centers for several reasons. These include an increase in customer contact and call volumes, new business lines, and marketing campaigns, the demand for improving service level and quality while reducing cost, a determination to create a customer-centric culture, a desire to reflect and reinforce the corporation's brand image in the market, understanding and responding to customers' needs. Indeed, as communication channels now also include email, chat, and SMS, the call center concept has evolved into contact centers and are now viewed as a long-term investment in an organization's customer. When satisfied, customers are likely to continue spending with the corporation, spend more, and even attract new customers. Furthermore, contact centers are a powerful direct marketing and sales window, with the use of telemarketing, cross and upselling, as well as promotions. Observing a contact center in action will highlight how painstaking and costly their development must be. Therefore, corporations intending to develop their own contact center are increasingly looking to specialist, strategic consultancy partners to guide them through the various stages and challenges of contact center development. LEVENBERT. LEVENBERT is a consultancy firm and implementation solutions provider. LEVENBERT has extensive experience and detailed knowledge of customer service and contact center best practice, implementing both to international standards. Immersed in the region's culture, LEVENBERT understands its needs and speaks its language. LEVENBERT, through telecom services, has designed a state-of-the-art approach to contact center development. This is called the C3 methodology. The 3 C's stand for Comprehensive Contact Center and reflect the thoroughness of LEVENBERT's approach, from the early stages of consultancy to the point of delivering an advanced, cost-effective and fully operational center, which has become the blueprint for all LEVENBERT's contact center solutions. Corporations can seek LEVENBERT services at any stage of their contact center development. LEVENBERT has ensured that the C3 methodology is customizable and flexible in order to cater to a corporation's specific requirements. Assuming that the corporation wishes to develop a contact center from scratch, C3 methodology can be summarized in the following diagram: status quo evaluation, strategy formulation, facility planning, technology integration, processes engineering, people development, and finally, the stage of going live. Status quo evaluation. At the outset, LEVENBERT expends time and effort to fully understand the needs of the corporation, not least the reasons they sought to develop their contact center. One of the most important steps is the assignment of a contact center development consortium. This is a cross-functional team that includes stakeholders, executives, and the contact center management, along with LEVENBERT's experts and consultants. This team will be involved throughout the contact center development in order to ensure it is integrated into the overall corporation strategy. From here, the C3 methodology moves to strategy formulation. The formulated strategy will define the contact center business objectives and functions. This will include its vision and mission, its target customers, contact types, access channels, required resources, key performance indicators, competition, and most importantly, the contact center's performance targets. A vital aspect of the strategy formulation tackles the feasibility of the contact center in terms of financial, operational, technological, and environmental aspects. A strategy document is then produced, which outlines the rest of the contact center components and acts as the cornerstone for the remaining development phases. Once the strategy has been formulated, the other highly interdependent components, facility, technology, processes, and people, will be developed in parallel. Facility planning. The facility component is essential and requires meticulous planning. When selecting a site for the contact center, factors such as cost, availability of infrastructure and workforce pool should be evaluated. After the site is selected, the contact center floor plan, the workstation design, the surrounding environment, and security aspects are examined and designed. Technology integration. Technology is the backbone of the contact center, and it consists of two aspects: hardware and software. Hardware entails laying network cables, routers and switches, the installation of servers, the computers and headsets for the workstations. Hardware also includes telephone systems, internet connections, faxes and landlines. Software is increasingly the focal point of today's contact center. The applications essential for any modern contact center include automated call distribution, computer telephony integration, interactive voice response, workforce management system, customer relationship management. Process engineering. Designing and documenting the contact center processes are essential, as they will guide the entire workflow of the contact center effectively and efficiently. Contact centers have internal and external processes. The external processes are related to dealing with customers, such as call handling scenarios, customer contact tracking, workflow, and escalation processes. The internal processes are concerned with the workflow within the contact center, such as performance management and scheduling processes. People development. People are the pulse of the contact center. As the first point of contact for existing and potential clients, they are nothing less than the frontline representatives of any organization. The people component includes organizational structure design, recruitment and selection strategy, training, career path plans, performance management strategy, motivation and retention plans, and appraisals. Through its C3P certification program, LEVENBERT provides its clients with extensive experience and expertise in the sphere of contact center staff training, covering soft skills and technical knowledge. This can be implemented at the induction stage or at later stages to certify and qualify managers, supervisors, and agents. Furthermore, in a region with a high importance on the nationalization of the workforce, LEVENBERT has incorporated its nationalization experience and solutions into its C3 methodology. LEVENBERT's C3 methodology accompanies corporations through each development phase step by step. As part of its comprehensive C3 methodology, LEVENBERT offers corporations with ongoing consultancy services and solutions, even after their contact center has gone live. This includes transferring project knowledge, integrating the contact center within the corporation, the marketing and branding strategy, customer experience management, and monitoring the contact center performance and operations through mystery calls and surveys. LEVENBERT is the partner corporations seek for the development of strategically aligned, competitive, cost-effective, and world-class contact centers. LEVENBERT. Consultancy services with turnkey implementation solutions.